my channel. Today for you guys I have a brand new video, and on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look. So with no further ado, let's get started. I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera to save some time. Now I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow primer, and today I'm going to be trying out the Morphe eyelid primer in translucent. I never tried it before, so I'm really excited. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab some and put it on my eyelid. I'm then going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. And I'm going to take this middle shade and put it all over my lid just to set the primer. I'm of course going to do the same thing to my other eye. So I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is MFEO. And with the fluffy brush, I'm just going to go in and dab it, and I'm going to be putting it on my crease, just like in a C shape. And of course, I'm going to be doing the same to my other eye. I am then going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and buff everything out. I brought you guys a little bit closer so you guys can see a little bit better. I'm then going to go in with Jax, which is this red burgundy shade. And I'm going to grab a tapered fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in my crease. And I'm going into the crease in a C shape. Somebody fucking punched the shit out of me. I promise guys, when we're done, this is gonna come out cute. And then I'm gonna go back with the fluffy brush and kind of blend the edges a little bit. Now I'm just going in and building the color as intense as I want it to be. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other eye. I am then gonna go in with the smaller fluffy brush, and I'm gonna buff out the edges. After that, I'm gonna go in with the concealer, and I'm gonna be using the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, which is the same concealer I use on my eyebrows. And I'm going to be cutting my crease to make a halo eye. So I'm just going to go in with my brush I use on my eyebrows. I'm going to cut my crease a little bit taller just because my eyelids do fold. And usually when I do try to do this type of eyes, they blend and it looks a mess. So I'm then going to go back to the Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to be using the same Jax color I was using before, and I'm going to be placing it on my inner eye and blending it inward. I'm also going to be putting it on my outer V and working it. I'm then going to grab the color Faint from the Jaclyn palette. And with the flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be packing it in the middle. And then I'm going to go back with the burgundy shade and just trying to blend a little bit more. Now I'm just grabbing a smaller, like really small detail fluffy brush, and I'm gonna get in the inner and outer V and just mixing the burgundy shade a little bit more. I'm then gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on my other eye. Okay guys, I just finished my whole entire face. If you guys would like a full video with details on how I snatch my face, please let me know and I will make a video for you guys. So now I am gonna go back with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna go back to the burgundy shade that we use, which is this one right here, which is Jax. And I'm just gonna take this eye shader brush and I'm gonna be placing the color of my bottom lash line. I'm then gonna go in with the pencil brush. I'm then gonna go with enlightenment, which is this very sparkly light color, and I'm gonna be placing it on my inner tear duct. I am so surprised. This color is like super bright. I am then gonna go in with the black eyeliner and put it on my waterline. I'm then gonna go in with some mascara, and I'm gonna be using the Big T's by Xoxo, and I'm gonna be placing it on my bottom lashes. I'm now gonna go in with some lashes, and today I'm gonna be using the Sumptuous Beauty lashes, and these are in the style Dallas. And I'm gonna be using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. I'm then gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Naked. I'm then gonna go in with the ColourPop Lip Gloss in Neat Freak. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video.